Hey everyone, Jill O'Brien here with Wild Idea Buffalo Company, and this is the first in a series of how to cook bison meat. So we're specifically talking about Wild Idea Buffalo Company bison meat, which is 100% grass-fed, 100% grass-finished, humanely field harvested. You can taste the difference. So to start off with, we are going to gas grill a couple of 10-ounce New York steak strips. So let's get started. And we're just going to lightly coat those with a little bit of olive oil and salt and pepper. And I shouldn't say lightly because I'm a little bit generous with the olive oil and the salt and pepper. And we're going to want to rub it into both sides. Once we get this rolled into the meat, we are going to let these rest at room temperature for about 2 hours. We'll cover them with a little bit of saran wrap. So we'll run in and we'll do that, and I'll see you back here in a minute. Okay guys, we're back. The steaks are at room temperature, and there's one more trick that I like to do before I grill them, and that is to stick them in the freezer based on the thickness. I'm gonna go up 20 minutes for these New York steak strips. Therefore, when we're grilling it, it grills at a more even temperature. So we're just gonna slide these into the freezer uncovered. Okay, our 20 minutes is up. Steaks have a nice chill on the outside, and let's get those on the grill. I've got it preheated, so my temp is at about 500 degrees right now. Anywhere between 500 and 550 is optimal. So let's go ahead and get these on the grill. Now these steaks are pretty thick, and typically I go like 3 minutes on each side. I'm gonna go 4 minutes and flipping them at 1.5 minute intervals. This is when I like to open a bottle of wine. Well, I actually opened it a little earlier because I was a little nervous. So cheers. Okay guys, our 6 minutes is up here, and so let's just take a look at them and see where we're at. They look awesome, but I think what we should do is just give them a flip on their side for about 30 seconds on each edge, and I think we should be all set. Okay, our last 30-second flip. And I'm sure you've noticed that when I'm grilling on a gas grill, I am cooking with the lid closed. And a lot of people leave the lid open. I don't. I think it actually helps cook the meat more uniformly, and again adds to that plumpness. Well, let's go ahead and pull them off and see what we have. They look just terrific. And after they've been cooking, we are also going to rest them for about 5 minutes. And that too aids in them plumping up a bit, getting a little juicy, and we'll just let those rest, and then we'll come back and we'll give them a taste. And let's give these steaks a taste, and I promise you it's gonna be amazing. So let's give it a test. Let's see how we did here. It's a beautiful medium rare. You're gonna love this. 100% grass-fed. I know I've said it over and over, but I'm gonna say it again. Grass-finished, humanely field harvested. The taste is amazing, tender, juicy, delicious. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you come back and check out other cooking videos that we'll be producing in the future. Thanks again. Bye-bye.